We're Joost and Miriam, a couple from the Netherlands with love for traveling and food. Currently, I am in Kyrgyzstan with a friend while Joost is preparing for his trip in Europe. A full week has gone by in Kyrgyzstan and we left off at the previous vlog when I wasn't feeling so well. So did many others from our group, and many paid a visit to the toilets during the night. I guess our tour guide really got us and brought us to the cemetery next morning. Anyway, we're leaving Narin behind us today and we're going to Bokonbayevo, which is the first of the 4 stops by the Itzico Lake. We're on another hike right now. It's really pretty. It's not that warm here. It's just fine. And it's all downhill for about an hour and then the bus will pick us up. We arrived at the carpet making. We were invited by a group of women who call their business Dreams. They've been working on the same name since the Soviet period. They started out at the market and are slowly growing. Before starting on the carpet making, you'll first need to make a chi mat. These mats are used to flatten wool. It takes a lot of time to make them, as you're making it straw by straw. Next up is compressing the wool, which is firstly done by these huge sticks hitting the wool, and the next step is compressing it with a chi mat. There are 2 types of carpets, which results in 2 different designs. On the first one, you're making 2 bases, put them together and draw a design on it. The next step is to cut it out and sew it together with wool. The second one, you press everything together with a chi mat without doing any sewing work. It takes about 6 months to create a carpet. We just arrived in our next homestay, so I'll give you a tour. We're sleeping over there at the end of the hallway, and this is the toilet room, which is pretty nice. A good shower. Whoa, a rain shower. And then this is our place. We were still sick at the end of the day, but we made it through. I do hope you enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date.